Python is one of the most popular programming languages in the world. From web development to AI, it's everywhere. But what makes Python so powerful yet beginner friendly? Let's find out in just 100 seconds. Python is known for its clean, readable syntax. No semicolon, no curly braces, just indentation. It supports variable loops, conditional and functions like any other language. It comes with built-in data types, string, integer, float, booleans, and powerful structures like lists, tuples, sets, and dictionaries. Python supports object-oriented programming, classes, interfaces, and more. Plus, you can split code into modules and packages. What really makes Python shine is its ecosystem. Libraries like NumPy for math, Pandas for data analysis, Django and Flux for web development, and TensorFlow for AI. It's cross-platform, open source, and backed by a huge community. Whether you are a beginner or a pro, Python is a great tool for web development. And that's Python in 100 seconds. If you want deep dives on these topics, let me know in the comments.